Here we have a 2016 Dodge Charger. I'm going to show you guys how to remote start this vehicle from the key fob. Here's what the key fob looks like. It's got the lock, the unlock, the trunk release. This one over here where you see the arrow and the ×2, what I usually do is lock it. You'll see the light up, and then you're going to hit it 2 times. One, on the second one, hold it. And you've just started the vehicle. While it's started, I'll go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. You can hit the unlock key. You can go over to it. So let's say you got your windows down or you've remote started it and you're kind of curious what's going to happen if somebody gets in there. Just slow this down. Okay, so everything is on, but you can see it's all really dim. Here's the shifter. Here's the cluster or the dash. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's just say I want to move the car. So I'm gonna touch the pedal, try to move it. I'm gonna try to put it in drive. Let's see if I can get it. It won't go to drive. So you don't have to worry. So if you remote start it, nobody's gonna move your car. If you're at the car wash or if you're at the store, you have your windows down, you're good. This is a 2016 Dodge Charger.